guys, welcome to my channel, and so I hope you are doing just great. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play Omemma by Judikay. Omemma means in Igbo language good doer. Okay, so I'll play the song as usually before I give you a tutorial of the song. Okay, I'll play in the key of C. So guys, that's all about the song. Okay, so we do the intro. The intro is a bit different from the verses and the chorus, but the chorus and the verses, they take the same chord progression. Okay, so I'm going to start with the intro. Okay. Okay, so that's the intro. I was using sustain when I was playing that part, so my sustain was on. Okay, so the chord progression for the intro is a 1, 5, 4, back to 1. Okay, so very swift when you are playing the 1 to the 5. Okay. 1, 5, 1, 5, 4. F major. 4, 1. Okay. I do it slowly. So that's the intro, guys. Then the other part. So the next part of the song is Omemma. After she is done with the intro, so the chord progression is a 1. I'm playing 1 inversion. Okay, that's C major inversion. Then G, that's the 5. Then Z minor, but I was playing the inversion. This is the inversion. Okay, second inversion. Then come back to F major, that's the 4. Okay, so that is Omemma, 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 Omemma. So I was Jesus, Buma, I something of that sort. Then I added. Okay. So Omemma, Omemma, Ome Jesus, Jesus. Okay, do something of that sort. When you are done with that, Jesus, the honor is still the same chord progression as Omemma. Okay, so Jesus, the honor of my life. It is you, nothing impossible. Oh, Jesus, hallelujah. So it's the same chord progression as Omemma. Okay, that's 1, 5, 2, 4. Then from there now, Omemma, Omemma. Okay, so for Omemma, I was playing the same chord progression, but I was playing something different. Okay, so I was playing something like. Okay, so it's still 1, 5, 2 chord progression. Omemma, Omemma, that's it. Okay, so I was doing do, re, mi, re, do. Okay, when you do that, you come. We are doing it when you are on the 1. Okay. Then you go to the 5 now. Okay. Okay, go to the 5. Then re. Then you press now the second. Re, mi, re, mi, fa, fa. Re, mi, fa, 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 re, mi, fa, 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 mi, re. Okay, go to the 4. La, ti, do, ti, la, do. Then, when you are pressing this one, you should press 1 here, the 1. La, ti, do, ti, la, so. But you're pressing this 1. Okay, so that's it. So that's all about the song, and it continues like that. Then I was playing at some point. I was playing the bars. Okay, so I started using one bass called low bass. Okay, then before I get to the slap bass, so I was playing something. Let me increase the volume so that you can get it clearly. Okay, let me increase the volume. So I was playing something. Bam. Okay, so it's do, fa. Let me play slowly. It's the same chord progression. I go to the 5. Okay, 2. Now this is a bit different. It's mi, fa, mi, re, do. The same thing when I use the slap bass. I do it slowly again. Okay guys, so that's it all for the song. I hope you learned something, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.